Hey YouTube, the Supercar Doctor 7 here. And today is the Father First Man, the Wonka, the Wee Wonka on Kiss, Head Burps and Summer School Cheetah, made by me, the Supercar introduces him. Enjoy. Sing. Good morning, class. Class. Task. As and test. And today we're gonna start off with math. Math. Kyle, what is 5 plus times 5? The answer to trade that is 25. Correct. Dora, what 10 plus 10? It's a D. Good job. They are hungry now. What is 5? 5 plus 5. Yes, they can. Yes, that's they can. Good job. Oh. You need to be set to. I go over. I go on. Oh, I feel so good. Oh, God. What? Why? Hey, what are you Walker kids doing? We, alright. We're not. No, I got up back at the. I feel that they said I go to. Ew! That is disgusting. That was disgusting. One young kid, how dare you bark at me? Be on summer school. Dancing. Get you to be put off right now. I'm sorry about that, class. That's okay. Oh no, not you again. Why not this one too? Wait, who are you? I am principal born on summer school. 92. Do you thought anything more trouble? Yes, I did. I wanted to do it to like I go to like I be a bird. We are to we just bird at 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 my summer school summer tea the face heat. What could I tell? We cannot believe we you but I work a day. You know that is rude is dusty. That day. You start kids spell for school. You also spend it for 1 week. Go home right now and call your parents to pick you up. And meanwhile, because the here we do. Two. 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 Oh my god, and the government is that too. No, why? Don't know why. That's why. Why you figure that the bird at the time could get there? You know that's really study. And forget you are 50 grand from Walmart. You know how to see fireworks and go on 80 summer vacation. Ever did, you be grateful too. Now how much do you right now? We'll talk about this later. We are talking about this later. Oh man. Why my allergies when I thought for the allergy Mom, what did you do? I waited for to call to that day turtle. That's a big idea. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah. And if we go, we just to go up to some good potatoes and they need some babysit to them. That's the end of the video. Pick up with the like, comment, subscribe to more horror videos. And yeah, I see you next video. Bye.